RedSpy is a next-generation penetration testing platform that combines AI-based automation with expert interpretation to measure and improve your security posture. RedSpy is integrated with Intel471, a real-time text-based threat feed that continually reflects new potential challenges for your network. RedSpy uses this information to help you understand more about the link between your network's vulnerabilities and the real world, ensuring that as the cybersecurity landscape changes and evolves, you have as much information as possible to optimize your security posture. Let's launch a new vulnerability scan to demonstrate some of the important aspects of this integration. We could use any scanning tool, but here we'll use OpenVAS. We now perform a new scan and then check the IRC channel to watch the activity. Here, OpenVAS identifies a new vulnerability. Here we see that RedSpy has mapped this newly discovered vulnerability to a corresponding CVE code, which is a list of common vulnerabilities and exposures as determined by MITRE, which sets the industry standard. RedSpy then attempts to map the CVE code to an Intel471 entry that contains additional intelligence regarding the threat. If a corresponding Intel471 entry is found, we will be able to view the details. Switching to the Intel471 panel, we see that there appears an entry for the new vulnerability, and it is mapped to a particular new threat. Clicking on the Detail pane, we can see the Intel471 analyst's notes on the threat, which indicate that the threat does not yet involve any mechanization or weaponization. This information connects your cybersecurity efforts to the real world and helps your security professionals prioritize their time and focus on the most important activities. No organization's cybersecurity is perfect, because organizations evolve and because the cybersecurity landscape is always changing as new threats are introduced. The information provided by Intel471, especially when integrated with RedSpy, can help you make valuable decisions on how to address and make changes to your security posture. For example, your organization might be aware that your remote desktop protocol, or RDP, is less than optimal, but be focused on more pressing concerns. RedSpy might uncover a new vulnerability related to your RDP, which is directly related to a new, potent threat. When combined with Analyst Insight, comparing Intel471's insights to knowledge of the client's network and priorities, RedSpy then has the potential to directly influence the priorities of your organization, directing your efforts towards a more immediate upgrade to RDP systems and staying ahead of the curve when it comes to incoming threats. The entire RedSpy365 team thanks you. We look forward to delivering new and relevant insight into each customer's security investments now and in the future.